Friends, today we will learn the basics of accounting. Accounting is often called the language of business because it records every financial transaction in a systematic manner. It helps us know how much profit or loss a business has earned, what assets and liabilities it owns, and its financial position. The information generated through accounting is useful for owners, banks, investors, creditors, employees, and government authorities for making informed decisions. Accounting follows a logical sequence. First, only transactions that can be measured in money are identified. These transactions are then measured and recorded in the journal, also known as the Book of Original Entry. Later, they are classified into ledger accounts and summarized into trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Finally, these statements are analyzed and communicated to different users for decision making. Accounting is a systematic process of measuring, recording, classifying, and summarizing the financial transactions, analyzing and interpreting the financial statements, and communicating the result to the users. The primary objective of accounting is to maintain proper records of business transactions and determine the profit or loss of the business. It also helps in knowing the financial position through the balance sheet. Accounting provides valuable information to management and external users, helps comply with legal requirements, and supports effective planning and decision-making. Accounting offers numerous benefits by providing reliable financial information for decision-making. It helps management plan business activities, obtain loans, and even serves as legal evidence. However, accounting also has certain limitations. It records only monetary transactions, ignores qualitative aspects like employee satisfaction, does not account for inflation, and sometimes financial statements may be manipulated through window dressing. Accounting has three important branches. Financial accounting records transactions and prepares financial statements. Cost accounting focuses on controlling and reducing the cost of production. Management accounting provides relevant information to managers for planning, controlling, and making strategic business decisions. To conclude, accounting is an essential part of every business. It systematically records and communicates financial information that helps managers, investors, banks, and government authorities make informed decisions. Understanding the objectives, functions, advantages, limitations, and branches of accounting provides a strong foundation for learning advanced accounting concepts. Thanks for watching.